Okay, I'm here with the man, Dr. Perricone. Hi, how are ya?
Hello and welcome to our hydrogen event. It's nice to see you again.
All right, well, I even feel like I'm breathing better just being in this room. So when you drink water that is created with hydrogen concept, how does it make you feel, and what do you think the medical benefits are?
Well, the medical benefits are enormous, but let me tell you how you feel. Because it's such a tiny molecule, you feel a difference in about 15 to 20 minutes. It gives you energy, and it kind of gives you a mood lift, and from there the story gets fairly interesting because it increases sports performance, acts as a natural antioxidant, which gives us not only mental energy but physical energy, and all the data looks like it also can help us in terms of managing our weight, to managing our lives, because it does give us energy, and energy is the source of what we need to accomplish our mission. So I'm very excited about this. Hydrogen is the future.
Hydrogen is the future, not only in water. A lot of people consider it an energy, period.
Well, as I say, it powers rockets, it powers cars, now it powers people too.
I believe you can get a lot of energy right out of the streets, hydrogen. I mean, it's really an amazing element on our Earth.
Well, hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe.
Right.
It makes up about 90 to 95% of the entire universe. And then it's prevalent here, it's in our bodies, it helps us in a number of things, but it's also an incredible beauty drink because it gives you radiance.
Let's talk about water. Actually, we're very involved and have been for a long time with water. We helped create the International Day of Water with the United Nations. Okay, my buddy Phil Sowers. And I have a show called The Water Hour. And so water is a very important commodity, right? It's the sustenance of life. You can live without food, but you can't live without water.
You know, water is critical, and it's not only essential to our lives, but it's also a diminishing asset that we have in the world. So water is important, and the Perricone Hydrogen Water Company is also making a philanthropic effort to get fresh water around the world. We're starting an effort right now in Burma, and we will also be doing an effort in South America. But right now we'd like to get everybody to know about hydrogen water because the benefits are so incredible. So we want to stop with energy drinks that are not healthy. We're going to give you just pure hydrogen water, which is there's no bubbles in it. It tastes like just beautiful fresh water, but you'll feel the energy in 15 to 20 minutes.
And I did that. I tried it with my buddy Joe Chinque, and I tried it and I loved it. And I know you're getting an award, the 5-Star Diamond Award, and 6 stars. Wow, you know, that is very special. So how do you feel about that? What's the good news there?
Well, I'm excited because the 6-Star Diamond Award is incredibly prestigious, given to countries and individuals who have really performed excellently. And so I just feel so honored to be getting the 6-Star Award for my science.
You know, I mentioned to you earlier, you know, you and I, we did an interview, could be 15 years ago, I can't remember, but I remember when you were starting in your business. You're not a newcomer to helping people live a happier and healthier and a more beautiful life, I will say. So if you're going to get behind, in essence, of water, this is serious stuff. You must have done your homework here.
I am the most excited about hydrogen water than anything I've studied for the past 30 years in terms of its benefits. I know it sounds like hyperbole, but I am so excited I have difficulty sleeping at night until I can get this out to the world.
All righty, I love it. I'm going to ask you one last question, okay, just because it's very dear to me, and because I know you're a thought provoker, and I know you're a good Samaritan, like you're talking about Burma. So we're involved with the International Day of Peace, which is September 21st, the United Nations. I asked thousands of people, what does peace mean to you? What does peace mean to you, sir?
Peace means to me accepting everybody and having a warm feeling when you meet people because they want to be just like you and you want to be just like them. There's nothing that separates us.
You're a beautiful guy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.